Alright, so you are from India and you're someone who is looking to start their own marketing agency by living and residing here in India. So, guys, just a little background. I'm also from India. I live here in India. And 3-4 years back, I started my own agency and I've successfully scaled it to like $40,000 to $45,000 every single month. Stick with me till the very end of this video. I'm exactly going to give you a roadmap. If you're someone from India and if you want to successfully start and scale your agency, this is exactly all the steps you gotta follow. Living in India and starting your own agency, and especially targeting clients in US, UK and all the other international countries, you might face a little roadblock, because these guys are usually like, we don't work with Indians, we don't work with third world countries. Someone from India actually scammed me in the past, so we don't have good experience with Indians. You are going to face a lot of objections like these. Definitely, just to set some solid expectations here, if you're someone who is starting an agency and you're reaching out to clients with cold calling, DMs or whatever it is, you are going to face a lot of objections like these, where your clients and prospects might be like, we don't work with Indians, we don't. Right? So and to be honest, if we are going to pressure sell them, try to like put some kind of pressure on them to just sell them, they're eventually going to just block us, right? And that's not we gotta do. So as you know, here in India, like generally people prefer what? Going to schools, going to colleges, going to 9 to 5 jobs and just living a simple life, right? But for the guys like us who actually want to build out a business and something like that, when we're first starting out, it does become a kind of a struggle. But once you have successfully established yourself in that business, after that it's easy revenue source. Right now with our agency, we are doing somewhere around 40 to 45 or sometimes even $47,000 every single month. We were not actually here from the starting. We were at just $2,000, $1,000, $5,000, right? So it took us like close to around 3 years to actually reach where we are currently today. So before even I start, I would like to show you just my Stripe dashboard. This is my screen right there in front of you. So you can see like this is my Stripe dashboard. Our company name is Growth Marketing Studio. So this is what we have done in the last 3 years. You can see here. So from Jan 2020, we started collecting payments on the Stripe dashboard, and it's almost November 2023, almost the end of the year. So we have collected this much revenue. So you can just do your maths. It's close to around $700,000 to $800,000 in the last 3 years. So this is what a marketing agency and running a marketing agency can actually do for you if you do everything right. Obviously, this is just Stripe dashboard. We have collected payments via Wise.com, PayPal, wire transfer. We never counted that revenue. So we have done like more than $800,000 at this point, very close to hitting $1 million. It's going to be like extremely, a time to celebrate maybe, but yeah, this is what running a marketing agency can actually get you if you do everything in the right manner. So what are the few necessities, I would say mandatory things which you got to do when you're starting an agency from India? To be very honest, nothing. People think like I have to register my company, I have to build a website, I have to actually hire employees. Guys, why are you hiring employees? It's not even a business yet. It's not even a business which is running. It's just in the ground, right now. Just get started. That's all I can say. So get started in terms of reaching out to prospects, creating your profile. No need for a website, no need to actually register your company right now at this point, right? When I actually hit like 60-70 lakhs with my agency, then I actually registered my company, or maybe 80 lakhs, somewhere around that, right? But obviously we had to pay a lot of taxes, and I don't want to talk about it, but when you're starting an agency from India, you will be liable to pay a lot of taxes, and you're going to regret paying that much tax. But again, as an Indian resident, we don't have any other option. The only thing that you need is just consistency, willingness, and you're just persistent, showing up every single day, deciding a niche and reaching out to prospects, getting meetings, closing clients. That's all you need. No need for a website, no need to register your company. The main question is, how to start, and this is the most important and essential part of this video. So first things first, I'm just going to just tell you, like, these are the things that you need to get started. If you want one in-depth knowledge about those points, then you can definitely do check out my YouTube channel for that. So first things first, you need to decide a niche. Once the niche is decided, then you have to start outreaching, create your offer, create your scripts, follow-up scripts, right? If you're thinking to do cold calling and getting clients, then create a cold calling script, create your objection handling script, right? Once you start reaching out to clients, the prospects, you will start eventually booking appointments. Then know how to close over Zoom calls. See my Zoom recording link. How do I actually handle the objections? How do I actually close clients over Zoom calls, right? See all those videos, make notes. So these are all the things that you got to do just to close clients. That's the first thing. Now, how do I take payments? That might be one of your questions. So I'll give you three options. The first is Stripe, but I would say when you start actually collecting a lot of payments on Stripe dashboard, Stripe platform, they actually try to put some kind of reserve. I think 2-3 days back, Stripe sent me an email like, you're going to put 25 to 30% of your funds in reserve because your account is in high risk. Because obviously we were like refunding a lot of clients, and just because of that they actually came to the conclusion like the business we are doing is very risky. But anyway, Stripe is a good option. Then PayPal is another one. And then you can also take payment via wise.com. And the fourth one is wire transfer, where you can directly ask your prospect, like, send me a wire transfer. You just have to send him your details, Swift code, that's it. He's going to make a wire transfer and the money is directly come to your bank account. And the fifth way, which we recently started doing, is opening a US bank account via Payoneer, or like, I think there's another platform, I don't remember. Opening a US bank account, you will get like all the details of your bank account, and you just have to send that US bank account details to your prospect and ask him to make an ACH transfer. That's the fifth way of collecting payment. We have tried it all and everything is working extremely well. So like I mentioned, if you're someone from India and you're starting an agency, you are going to hear this a lot. You are Indian, I'm not going to work with you. So here are two ways to handle that situation. First things first, ignore that guy, right? Just ignore him completely and just move on to the next prospect, because there's like 100 but not thousands of prospects. They're waiting for you to message them. That's first. Second, I would say maybe you can try to give him some kind of free trial. John, I absolutely understand you're being skeptical about Indians, but is there any chance you can just give me a trial, just try for 7 days, just pay for the ads, I'm going to get you the results, and if I don't, we're going to just part ways, something like this, and this is just for the starting period. Once you do build some kind of social proof, you have like a lot of audience, you have lot of case studies, right? Then you can just go out, then like you can decide on your own like which client you need to work with. I'm pretty much sure like you guys would also have this question, how do I scale? So guys, once you're past $10,000, that's where the real journey starts, because scaling from $0 to $10,000 is the very hardest part of starting and scaling the agency. But once you're past $10,000, then it's a very easy journey, to be very honest. Like when I did $10,000 for 2 months straight, after that my next month's revenue was almost $19,000 or $18,000, almost $10,000 additional. Then like just in time, and we didn't even realize we started hitting 25, 30, 35,000, 40,000, and eventually we ended up at $47,000. So scaling formula is nothing. Like it's just, like doing some kind of increase in employees, like hiring more VAs who can do more outreach for you, using different automations, different software, just doing everything in volume. Because if you can get clients in volume, let's say in a month you are getting 5 clients and you're doing $10,000, right? But the next month you get 10 clients and now you started doing $20,000. So the more clients you're going to get, the more revenue you're going to generate. And make sure these clients are paying you every single month, because these recurring payments are going to compound over the time, and you will see like you are sitting in a huge pile of cash. And to be honest, you also have to think about this, like you will be earning in US dollars and you can spend it in INR. That's a huge win for you, because you'll be earning in dollars and you'll be living here in India, spending in INR, and actually living at Indian expenses, which is obviously, if you're someone like who is earning in dollars and spending here in India, it feels like a little cheap, like things are like affordable here if we are earning in US dollars. Like that's what I've felt, but you can try it yourself and let me know what do you think about that. So guys, this was the entire video on how to start and scale your agency from India from scratch. But anyways guys, if you did like this video, Do subscribe to the channel and drop your feedback in the comment section. Bye.